Janet with Heather Canyon, and today we are going to make another cab with Boulder Opal. This time we are looking at one where there's a lot of color exposed at the surface and there's a lot of flash in part of it, and the rest of it looks like the flash is maybe still below the surface. So I'm going to work that down a little bit and see if we can expose some of it. So first I'm going to cut this down to more of a tab shape, or at least a little bit thinner, and kind of make it closer to the shape that I want it. I'm going to use the trim saw here. First, the thickness of this is pretty thick, so I'm going to cut some of it off. So I've cut this stone down. I've left some of the matrix and decide whether I want to use it or not. And I've cut it so that the back is roughly parallel with the color. And I'm going to work on this area and try to expose some of the flash a little better. So try to show you in this corner, got some really nice flash. And then over here, you can kind of see that it's below the surface. I'm going to try to bring that out. And I want to take this down pretty slowly because I don't want to go completely through the opal. You can see that the opal is really thin. So I'm going to use the drip so that I make sure that I keep this wet. And a fine diamond burr for my Dremel again. And again, I'm going to use the Dremel mostly because I want to have control over what I'm doing, where I'm grinding. I'm not sure if this section is going to have any flash or not. I'm going to take it down a little bit slowly. And then I do have this one high point of matrix. I'm going to take that down and level it off with the opal. So I've got some pretty good color flash goes throughout that. And I can continue to work to shape this into the shape that I want. Left this little tail down here. It's got from that flat a nice flash in it. It's kind of like a lightning bolt. So, and I just shape this and polish it just like I did with the last cab. So that is making a cab with Boulder Opal. One of the nice things about Boulder Opal is that it does have the ironstone backing. It's a natural backing, so you don't have to back it.